How to remove something from continue watching on Disney Plus. So if you want to remove something from continue watching on your Disney Plus, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your browser and you can go with the Disney Plus website. Make sure to log into your account. So the first option to remove something from your continue watching list is to skip to the end of the movie or show. It tricks the system into thinking you've completed watching it, and thus it gets removed from the row. But if it is for a movie, but if you're watching series, then it's a bit trickier for a TV show, because if you skip to the end of an episode, the next episode or season appears in your continue watching row. As such, you need to go to the final episode of the final season depending on your device. You may need to search for the show to see all the seasons. Rather than selecting from the continue watching row, once you're on the final episode, skip to the end of that, and that's it. That's how you can remove content from your continue watching on your Disney Plus. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.